let's take it across to Shivangi Sarda to get more detail on the market setup. Shivangi, hi, it's a day of monthly expiry. Maybe volatility is going to get exaggerated on account of that, but what's the sense? Are we done with the bulk of the correction, or it's still going to be very, very range bound?
Very good afternoon, and thank you for having me, Anisha and Somit. So we've seen that there has been a lot of swings and market volatility. Of course, monthly expiry cannot be ruled out. The factors still indicate that there is going to be some sort of a mixed cues for the rest of the day. And we are looking at 24,000 as a crucial make or break zone here. We've seen that it has taken some sort of a respite there, and this will be important to watch out for. But definitely, there are hurdles standing at 24,500. A lot of call writers are still not ready to shed their positions there. So, quite a range bound move, and there will be swings within it. So, we'll have to play out accordingly. Of course, talking about Bank Nifty, there has been, a similar chain of actions here as well. But then this index is holding stronger than the broader market. And we've seen 52,000 is what it is holding on to. So that would be an important support to watch out with a hurdle at 52,750, which it could not hold even in the morning gain. So this will be important to watch out. Of course, we have the Nifty expiry today, so focus will be there.
Well, yes, the expiry is today, but then do you expect that there could be some recovery at least in the next expiry? How are you reading into that? How are the rollovers looking like currently?
So, looking at the rollovers, they are a little light as compared to the previous month. But of course, even the 3 months average, there is some sort of respite in this terms that FIs have started buying. The put call ratio has improved. Volatility has come down. So people are starting to buy. Buying at the support levels is intact, but somewhere the follow-up action is missing, which is making the index move in a little bit of a lackluster. Even from the last four trading sessions, we've not been able to surpass 24,500, and we've not been able to surpass our 50 daily exponential moving average for that matter. So, over and above, there is going to be some sort of hurdles as we move ahead. But major pain point is not what we're looking at in the index. So, good time to buy and accumulate.
Okay, good time to buy and accumulate. At least that's the word coming in. But let's take some stock specific recommendations then. What are your top ones, Shivangi?
So from the top picks, first on radar is CUB. We've seen that this stock is all set to come out of its previous hurdle of 180, 182 zone. And we have been seeing a good amount of open interest addition here in this stock recently after the short covering move. So definitely there's some interesting activity happening here. RSI is showing positive divergence, and overall stock looks quite promising. Now, we've seen that Bank Nifty has been moving in a stable manner, but of course, the smaller names are now, showing strength. So look out for this one for a target of 190 with a support of 175. Now, the second pick on my radar is BEL. We've seen that defense space and related counters are in action. BEL has come out of its consolidation of the last 16 weeks and comfortably surpassed its previous hurdle of 310, 35 levels. And we've seen that a good amount of longs are being added over here from the last four trading sessions. So this is the one on radar. Interestingly, we've seen that IVs have started to cool down here. So definitely bulls are becoming comfortable in this stock. Seasonality wise, this sector tends to favor this, sector. So we are looking at 320 as the next targets for BEL with a stop of 300.
Lastly, Shivangi, before we let you go, how is Exide Industries looking like on charts? Last couple of days, we have seen some strong volume action on this counter. It has also moved just above its 200 DMA today.
So talking about the entire auto and auto related packs for that matter, we are little underperforming, looking at it as an underperforming sector for the next quarter at least. But again, we've seen that Exide is bottoming out. There is some sort of a base creation at 415 level, so that is a positive, for this stock. What we're looking for Exide is definitely on the upside 470 odd levels. but it'll take a little bit of a time because there is no tailwind from the sector.
Right. Well, thank you, Shivangi, for that. Well, let's.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.